Is the viral Medicube tool just marketing or a must-have? Hi, my name is Annie. I used to be a beauty buyer, and welcome to my new series where I tell you if viral products are just marketing or if they're truly a must-have. And today we're going to be talking about the viral Medicube Age-R Booster tool, which has been all over social media. But is this tool as amazing as people are making it out to be? Medicube did send me this device, but my review is completely unsponsored and my own opinions. The Age-R Booster H tool uses a type of microcurrent technology called electroporation that creates new channels into your skin so products can sink deeper. It claims to increase product absorption by 490%, along with some other claims that are listed right here. I've been testing this tool over the past month, and it did help products sink into my skin deeper. I could feel it, and my skin looked glowier on the nights that I did use this tool versus on the nights that I didn't. So it's definitely not just marketing, and it's actually doing what it promises to do. But all of the studies that Medicube has done with this tool has really just been with their own products. So I did only stick with Medicube products when using this tool, and I felt a bit limited in terms of what products I could use. Is this tool a must-have? I actually don't think so. Skincare formulations and the innovation have come such a long way. I really don't think you need to spend $200 on a tool to help your skincare penetrate deeper. But I do think Medicube's new Booster Pro tool would be closer to a must-have status because it has 6 different modes on it. These modes include LED light and microcurrent, which have a bit more research supporting the technology on how it can benefit your skin.